Easy English practice. What is the synonym of brave? Fearless. What is the synonym of neat? Tidy. What is the synonym of soft? Smooth. What is the synonym of tired? Sleepy. What is the synonym of delicious? Yummy. What is the synonym of sad? Unhappy. What is the synonym of funny? Hilarious. What is the synonym of old? Ancient. What is the synonym of shy? Bashful. What is the synonym of fast? Rapid. What is the synonym of laugh? Drop your answer in the comments. Think fast. I'll reply with the correct answer. Let's see who gets it right first.